Hey guys, how's it going? Well, a few of you have asked about the Motorola HT1250, and this is a very nice Motorola HT1250. This is the full keypad version. It does have the option board in it that will store voice recordings. It's got system scan, status, MDC status 1, message. You can program your radio to send messages, and you can also program the radio to, when you have somebody sending an MDC message, if you're busy and out, it will actually play a pre-recorded message back to that user. Very nice. High-low power. Let's see here. This is the voice storage option. Playback. Voice memo. This was me. I didn't realize I was doing this. But yeah, you can record a memo from the screen. Let's get out of that. There's the record. You can also delete them. And audio tones, alert volume, keypad tones, companding, escalert, call tone tag, name tone tag, tone disable, alert volume level, keypad tones. So these are 128 channels, and they're the HT1250, not the HT1250LS. The HT1250LS is a very good radio, but it has limited channel capacity and conventional. These are conventional radios that are very, very good. They're not digital, and they're not Astro P25, APCO P25 rather. They're not Astros, but very good for fire, EMS, construction, all the way around. Really, really good radios. Got a couple UHFs that are due in a while. There'll be full keypads. Those are going to be my quick carries. These units, I've got one or two up on eBay now. I think I've got two. This is a full keypad. It works really well. Turn the volume up. I fight feedback so much I always have this volume down.
Check, check, check.
As this does go into the radio,
you can see the signal indicator.
See, feedback. Doing the best I can. You can also have the radio
make a little chirp at the end of your transmissions or at the beginning.
Turn that up for you without feedback.
Now, as you can tell, very good loud audio out of these radios. Not as good as, you know, a digital XTS. Very nice though.
You know, I really like these radios. You know, you can get a lot of good mics and things with these radios. You know, I'd invest in a good case. But all in all, very good radios. I do like these cases because they do have the plastic on them. I would invest in a user manual. Get to know your radios. Get to know your radios if you're going to use them. The wideband Motorola antenna is really nice. These stubbies are okay. The widebands are really what most people prefer. An Impress charger is really nice, and I recommend those very highly, especially in this series. They're just very, very good radios. But yeah, there's several people that are looking to buy 1250s, and several people that are contacting me. The man down button sets off an emergency siren. I've got the light function program for the top. You can go through the zones. You can assign channel names. These screens have a lot of space for information. They'll send text messages. They'll do a lot. But anyway, yeah. If you're looking for a quick carry radio and conventional, and you don't want to go with a digital XTS 3000 or a 5000, you know, if that's just out of your budget, I can understand that. I like the 5000s, I like the 3000s. I do have another 5000 coming in, so they'll give me 2 of them, and I'm going to have 1 in VHF, or 2 in VHF, I'm sorry. But the other one coming in, it's going to be really nice. But I do like these for quick carries. You grab them and you go. Simple as that. You can put them in your back pocket. I like full keypads. Let's see, I don't have that set up for being hot. I don't know if I've got this channel set up for being hot. No, don't. Gonna have to do that. You set that up through the CPS. It's really simple to do. You know, if you're hooked to a repeater and you've got a system on the other end, you can make and receive phone calls with these radios. Very good, very good. But yeah, you know, Motorola batteries are good to have. I'm starting to like Motorola batteries a lot more. I'm starting to like their chargers a lot more. But I really, you know, I really like the ACT chargers. But if you are looking for the 1250s, keep in mind that I know a lot of you are writing me, and I'm trying to keep up with you. You know, if you're really after a 1250, you know, look on eBay, because I've got those listed, and they're not cheap, but they're worth it. And I offer a lot of things that other sellers don't, and I price everything very reasonably for what I've got. I haven't had any complaints so far. 100% feedback in the 10 years I've been on eBay. Not bad. And I work hard for that, just as most people do. But yeah, if you want to get a public safety mic, these are very good. They're pricey, but they're very good. They've got the BNC connector on it. Goes right into your radio. And you've got the high-low volume switch. So, you know, I mean, if you're looking for decent radios, I may keep these two. This one's going to go, this one's going to go, this one may go. Charger I'm keeping because I've got the VHFs coming in. Cases I've got a lot of. accessories. I've got a lot of booklets. I've got a lot of antennas. I've got tons of, you know, I've tried to build up a good inventory of these radios because I realize how popular they are with a lot of you guys. I, you know, have been more into the XTSs, but at the same time, it's been a while. I've used these out in the field for years, and it's been a while since I've actually gotten back into these, and since I have, I like them a lot. Good radios all the way around. You know, if they had digital and if they had APCO P25, well, you know, that would be a really, really good thing. Best thing I could tell you is if you're looking for one that's APCO P25 and digital, go with the 2500, an XTS 2500. You know, it's your next best thing to a 5000, and in a compact quick carry package like this, you know, they're really hard to beat. You know, if you need something you can just grab and take with you, these are good. If you need something light on your belt while you're moving around, these are very good. They've got a lot of really good options on them, and I'm really sold on these radios. I like them, and you can check out a lot of the other videos that will actually tell you more about how these radios work. I wish I was better at it, but I'm not. And my main goal is to just kind of tell you what radios are out there, what radios I have, if they're good or not, if I like them or not, and just kind of touch on the basics. And I think I do that, but you know, at the same time, videos could be better. But hey, they're there, so you know, there's something good to be said for that. But anyway, yeah, that 1250 turned out great. If you're going to try and recase a 1250, be careful. Be careful. They're a bitch. They're a bitch. All these radios are bench tested. They're up to Motorola specs. Nice radios. And if you don't get one from me, get one from somebody else. Because they're nice. They're worth it. They're worth the money. For the compact package that they offer, they're worth the money. If you're just needing it for conventional, they're worth the money. Because they do have a lot of options. And they're very compact. Anyway, guys, take it easy. 13 minutes. Geez, if you sat through this, I can't believe it. But, yeah, you're dedicated. Anyway, guys, take it easy later on. So much for that.